some good news today. Insurance company finally came out and checked out the car. So they're going to get that started. It should be done in a couple of days. Hopefully they figured out all the problems and whatnot. They had to stop on it. Just wait to see what the insurance is going to do. They covered me. They took care of me. So we're good to go on that one. And then that's really all I really got going on right now. I'm in the red eye today. It's a little rainy out right now, so you can't really just enjoy it. But I mean, I've been grinding, I've been working, man. Been wanting to bring y'all this content, but it's been slow. I tell y'all what, when I get that thing back, we gotta get the door panels redone. We're gonna get that trimming wrapped in leather. We're gonna get it nice and going. We're gonna get it. It's gonna be dope, man. Watch what I tell y'all, man. Yeah, hopefully we can get everything taken care of before my guy Jay car show. His car show on Easter, so I'm shooting for Easter. If not, I got to figure out something. Cause I want to take that show. I want to take that car to his show. I don't really want to take my red eye, but I will if I have to. You know. But yeah, I definitely want to take it. I just think it just, you know, it's that time. Even if the doors ain't, I guess even if I ain't got the panels and stuff in, I can still take it. You know what I mean? Just to get of the year, you know, give them a little flavor. I mean, the panels don't really make the car. I mean, it do, but it don't. You know, I just ain't gonna be able to have my doors open and everything. But y'all get the drift, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, man. I just wanted to let y'all know what was going on with the supercharger. Let y'all know that it's almost back, man. It's almost back. Yes, indeed. Insurance and already sent me the money and everything, so we're good to go with that part. They just gotta do their part and, you know, fix the wiring for me, man. It's crazy, man. I'm hoping we don't got to go through this stuff no more, because it was hectic breaking down in Florida like I did, man. Not knowing what was the cause of it and all that stuff. It was crazy, but you know, we back, about to be back. Anyway, it's your boy JD Nation 1, aka JD on 32s, and I'm out. Deuces.
1 week later.
What's going on? It's your boy JD Nation 1 back with another video, man. Today is the good day. I'm actually going to go pick up my supercharger today. Yes, indeed, it's done. Got the wiring complete. When I get there, I'm gonna talk to them, check it out, look over just everything they had to do. The insurance paid for it, so that was a blessing. Because man, the ticket that they gave me, whew, ticket was something crazy, man. And I wasn't in a position to pay for that one. Yeah, I would have wired that up myself, man, if that was the case. I mean, it wasn't really that hard to do. But man, I definitely would have been taking to somebody's little hood shop somewhere and got that shit wired up. Because that ticket, different. But yeah, anyway, so we on our way there. Like I said, I'll show y'all more when we get there. Show y'all exactly what they did. And hopefully it's just all together. Hopefully it's ready like, you know, they said. The game plan was to clear all the faults and to get her back to normal. So she called me yesterday, said that she was ready, so she'll be back to normal. And if not, then we're gonna have to keep it there for a little bit longer till they get it back to normal. Also, they unhook my music and stuff too, so hopefully they put them wires and stuff back together. For the ticket that they got, hopefully they put it back together, man. But if not, you know, I'll run everything back together. I gotta figure out exactly what go where and all that stuff, get that shit figured out, but it shouldn't be too hard. But like I said, I get up with y'all whenever we get there. Stay tuned. Here we go. I can pull this bitch out. Let's see if I can get some air in these tires underneath there. Close. Appreciate it. Hey, you think you can air this back tire up?
Yeah.
Probably both of them. They look like both of them. They need a little air.
You got the remote? No, I'll just go air them all up.
Really just these two.
Okay.
Them the ones that's been losing air.
Okay.
Thank you. Give her a wash because she filthy. She's back. Back down, y'all. Back down. No parking behind. Oh, you gotta park behind it. Park behind. Can't park in front of it. Gotta park behind it, baby. We back down. He about to give me some air. Get me back good to go. And we're gonna be in traffic. Definitely gonna be in traffic. See it stop raining for me, man. Oh, I just, whew. Thank God for insurance, man. Insurance is a must, man. I don't care what y'all got going on. If you ain't got insurance, you tripping. Y'all want to get them little cars and just say y'all they look good, man, listen. Unless y'all just got a lot of money, man. And I'll be honest, when you got a lot of money, you still don't want to spend that. You don't want to spend that extra, man. Like, stuff you can avoid, you want to avoid. Some people, oh, no, I'm just going to go ahead and go with cash. No, I'm going to pay that $500 deductible. I'm going to be smart with it. Let the insurance do the rest. That's what I pay them for, you know what I mean? Something happened, I want to be cool. I'm actually going to call them now. I'm going to up my coverage, too. I got all them add-ons and stuff, and all that stuff ain't covered right now. So I'm getting ready to go. I'm going to call them as soon as I get to the house, and I'm going to up that. I'm going to put the covers down on my red eye though, because I got the paint off of it, so I don't need to get paid for paint no more. My little music I got in, and little rims that really I should be covered if anything was to really happen. So I'm gonna take that add-on off, but definitely add on to that, get it up and going. But yeah, if y'all need anything, man, y'all come right out here to Benny Auto. They do the alignments, they do the shocks, the struts, engine work, all that, man. They definitely get you right, though, man. I really don't trust a lot of people nowadays, but I mess with them, man. A little on the high side, but hey, you gotta pay for what you want, man. That's just how I go nowadays. That's what you gotta do, man. You gotta pay for what you want. I ain't gonna just say it's on the high side, man. It's just like a lot of jobs they did for me, I don't think it was just pricey, you know. Guaranteed they work. A few things they done for me and it didn't get right. They fixed it with no problem, didn't charge me nothing extra. So yeah, good people up here. It's hard to find good people. But anyways, I'll get back with y'all when my car get back out, get some air and stuff in the tires. I bet. So they went into change the wire. Is that changed? Well, they changed that wire. Still don't work like that. I didn't realize I still had that other piece in there. Threw all that stuff back in there. Changed out all that stuff. Put that down a little more. Changed out the wires. So yeah. Definitely got the new wires and stuff ran. I took them all apart, ran them. Got them in there the right way. Yeah. Changed out that back piece. All that stuff. What was melted. Definitely got me right. I had to fix my music and stuff. Put my panels and everything back in. Clean that stuff up. I'll be good to go. Ugh. So yeah, man, we back. Definitely back. Yep. Get all that stuff. All that stuff everywhere. Bolt that stuff back in. Get everything back situated. Get everything back happy. Go home and actually do all that stuff right now. No check engine lights or nothing on. Alright. We're good to go, man. We're back and we better. Yep, we back and we better. Back and we better. I'm trying to figure out why he was hungry. Alright, well, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. It's your boy JD Nation 1. And I'm out, man. Yeah, we back on them big 32s, man. Sliding and gliding. Sliding and gliding. Yes, indeed.